Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is probably going to be one of the quickest videos that I've ever done on this channel because it is a super quick upgrade. We are upgrading an upgrade. Let me explain. I didn't do a video on these, but these saddlebag lid covers I bought when I bought the bike just for protection from my kids when they sling their feet over, because I know they're horrible for that, dragging their feet across the top of my saddlebags, and I didn't want them scratched up, so I just bought these little Harley Davidson branded, really thin saddlebag covers, lid covers, but they don't fit very well. Like you can see, they're starting to retract back. You can see the edge of the bag all the way around, and like right there you can see the lip of it coming up. So we got something better. I've used this company before. They've changed their packaging in the last several years, so I did open it already because I wanted to check it out while my buddy was here. Grandpa, me and him opened it, and they were rolled up a lot better than that, but we unrolled them just to check them out. So yeah, there is the saddlebag lid cover, and it does have a felt lining on the inside to protect the top of your bags. Made in America, actually in Raleigh, North Carolina, I think, of all places. It does come with the Velcro and the other part of the Velcro, but I already have the Velcro attached because on them other bags, so I'm gonna try and use the Velcro that I already have on there. Comes with both lid covers, sticker, of course. That's always the most important thing, right? They have awesome products. I had these on the old bike. I loved them. I would have loved to have kept them, but they wouldn't fit. I'll spin you around here, and I'll just install one real quick. If you have the Harley ones, you have to take the handle off to get these on, but you can put the handle back on before you put these on. All right, there's the Harley ones. Super thin. They do have like a real soft lining. I don't know what all that is. Hopefully that comes off. I don't know what all them little spots are. Let me put a rag on it and try to wipe it off. And you don't want to start with a dirty bag. You might want to go ahead and clean it off before you do this. So here's the left one. Like I said, you don't have to put the handle on or take it off for this install if you don't have anything. But if you have the Harley ones, you'll have to take the handle off, and then you can stick it back on when you're done. It says to start with the front and then do the back. So the front goes on and the back goes on. Look at that. Like I said, I've already got the Velcro, so I don't need to do the Velcro. There we go. I'll show you the contrast between both. See, really that's why I like this one, just because I added that gold stripe. And it kind of matches the way I went with the stripe, kind of down and back. And that stripe kind of comes over and then back. Yeah, that's the difference between the Harley and the Shorefire design. Nice padding on that. Super nice leather. Like I said, you can get to your handle. On the old style, it kind of wrapped around the handle. Then you had a hole that kind of trapped dirt right there and stuff. Like I said, they were on the old bike. It doesn't interfere with the closing of the bags. I did do gold stitching on the covers to kind of go with the gold on the bike. You can pick, I don't know, they have like 10 different designs and like several different colors, almost like maybe 10 or 15 different colors you can pick from. And all right, guys, just like that, it's done. Let me show you. All right, guys, there they are. I believe they call this the breakaway with the gold dust color stitching, which is pretty close to gold. I mean, I like it. The craftsmanship is top notch on these things. Like I said, it doesn't get in the way of the latch. It velcros onto the Velcro I already have, but like I said, it comes with Velcro. So, and of course we added the swag to the saddlebag. Closes nicely, no problems. And the other one, so yeah, guys, I recommend that product 100%. Yeah, guys, there it is. Really quick install on my 2024 Road Glide of the saddlebag lid covers from Shorefire Design. If you guys want to go ahead and snatch you up a set, I will leave links in the description where you can find these. Appreciate you guys watching. Keep it on 2. We will see you in the next one.